Jonard Industries torque wrenches are specially designed to ensure proper connectorization at 7/16 inch F-type connector interfaces such as tap ports and splitters. These wrenches are available in 4 different models and 2 different head styles. Each torque wrench features an extended angle head with a preset torque setting of 20 or 30 inch-pounds. The TWAS models are speed versions and are available with either a 20 inch-pound or 30 inch-pound torque setting. Those of you familiar with speed heads know this design provides for quicker installations. The TWAF models are more traditional in design and work like a standard wrench with the added built-in torque control feature. Like the speed head, the full head design is available in either a 20 inch-pound or 30 inch-pound torque setting. Both styles feature an ergonomic cushion grip handle for user comfort and protection, making it the perfect tool for today's demanding craftsmen. For proper connector assembly using a Jonard torque wrench, first install a connector on the tap port. Start by hand tightening. Next, place the torque wrench on the connector and rotate clockwise. Note for demonstration purposes I am using a speed head. Follow the same procedure whether you're using a speed head or a full head. You will feel and hear an audible click when the wrench reaches the factory preset torque level. And the click tells you the connector is properly fastened on the fitting. It is important to use caution when tightening. Be sure to stop applying force when you hear the click. If you continue, you will damage the connector. In special circumstances, when the job requires dealing with shielded F connectors, you can achieve the desired result by using the Jonard SST 716 Security Shield tool with your Jonard torque wrench. Slide the Security Shield tool onto the shielded F connector. Note the special adapter located at the bottom of the SST 716. This adapter was designed especially for use with a 7/16 inch torque wrench. Simply turn the torque wrench clockwise until you hear the audible click, signifying a properly tightened connector. Again, make sure not to over-tighten the connector, as this will damage the connector. Jonard Industries offers a full line of fiber optic, CATV, and other popular hand tools. Be sure to check out our tools on the web or request our catalog. We thank you for choosing Jonard Industries, a technologically advanced manufacturer and your source for high-quality tools.